The only way to become a millionaire overnight is to win the lottery or another major reward, to inherit a huge sum, or to obtain any other large windfall. It is rare to achieve sudden affluence, and pursuing this goal may force you to spend more money. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to become a millionaire as a teenager, step by step. So the video is going to be amazing, so make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Becoming a millionaire is becoming financially independent. This post occasionally uses millionaire as a stand-in for financial independence. It is a reasonable stand-in and makes it easier to get our message to others. My goal and the goal of this community remains to help you along your personal journey. What defines that journey and your success should not be an arbitrary number and is your own. Do not allow my use of millionaire to define either. Start building a credit history. Credit cards often get a bad rep, lumped in under the premise that all debt is bad. Credit card debt is among the most difficult to climb out of, with average interest rates exceeding 16%. Used responsibly, a credit card can be one of the most versatile tools in your financial toolbox. You can leverage a credit card as a free short-term loan on your everyday purchases, a discount in the form of cash back on every purchase, a key factor in building up a credit score. A good credit score will raise the availability and lower the interest rate of future loans, which can empower some of your most defining purchases. A guardian can add you as an authorized user to their account as early as 15. This will start a credit file for you and begin to establish you as a responsible user. Once you are 18 and have a source of income, look to migrate to an account solely in your own name. You should also consider removing your guardian's name from your checking or savings accounts. If you do not have one, set one up. Fund your account with enough to cover 3 to 6 months' expenses. Those who become a millionaire put their money to work. If you've made it this far, take a moment to appreciate your efforts. During our discussion of Yada savings, we referenced that households are more likely to have no savings than they are to have $1,000 saved. The peace of mind that comes with having easy access to cover moderate, unexpected expenses is a wonderful thing. Once you are at this point, you should look to put the rest of your money to work. Most of your money should be constantly earning you more. Opening a Roth IRA will allow you to pay taxes now, while your income is relatively low, and watch it grow tax-free. You can contribute up to the lower of either $6,000 or the total of your earned income annually. Decide if college is right for you. From the relationships you forge, to the hours committed, to the financial cost, whether to pursue a college education is likely to be one of the most transformative decisions of your life. College can open doors and introduce you to others who share your interests. It can also be one of the largest financial commitments of your life and is a primary source of debt. One step which may help with this decision is to take a college credit or two when you are in high school. Most states offer such programs beginning your freshman year. If college is right for you, commit. While the value and gatekeeping that society places on a college degree is a discussion for another time, a college education is, in large part, an investment in yourself. You are paying dearly for those credit hours. Commit to it. You have worked your entire life to get to this point. Don't be the employee you would fire. Be aggressive seeking scholarships. If you choose to go to college, don't assume the financial burden has to be yours alone. A college education is expensive, but many individual and corporate donors seek to assist those seeking such an education. Forbes reports that as recently as 2018, as much as $7.4 billion is available annually in financial aid. Each year, nearly $3 billion in available scholarship money went unclaimed. Assistance exists for everyone, some dependent on background, some on merit, athletic prowess, or simply common interest. Take advantage of employer perks. Your paycheck is only part of your compensation as an employee. Far too many workers do not take advantage of additional benefits, leaving behind value. It is possible that your employer may offer a matching 401k program. At its most basic, a 401k is a retirement account, and some employers will match your contributions in whole or in part up to a certain threshold. If this is available to you, take full advantage of any match at any percentage. Free money doesn't come along often. If you have this opportunity, take it. Check to see if your employer offers any form of tuition assistance. Learn to cook, at least the basics. Eating out can be convenient, social, and satisfy pretty much any craving. It can also tax your time, wallet, and take a toll on your nutrition. One of the best investments you can make, both for your financial and personal health, is to learn to cook the basic things you enjoy yourself. An analysis of over 3.7 million dating profiles performed by Zeus found that both men and women are more likely to message potential partners when people mention a love of cooking in their profiles. Don't simply strive to impress others. It's easy, at any age, to get caught up in trying to impress those around us. The pressure in your teenage years is ever present. Be true to yourself. Be a good friend to those around you. Don't chase acceptance or approval. Those worth having in your life will give it freely. It's ok to live at home if you are happy with the situation. An older used car is usually cheaper to insure and, most likely, a better value to own, even after maintenance. Having the freedom to spend time and money throughout your life on those you love is more meaningful than impressing strangers or casual acquaintances. Striving to become a millionaire, invest in yourself. You have the one thing that everyone strives for: time. You can do anything. Take a month to learn a new skill or pursue an interest. You might stumble across something you are passionate about, something that brings you joy. Your pursuit may introduce you to others who share that interest and magnify that joy exponentially. Start building a professional network. You never know who that partner from your science class or supervisor on your first internship might become. One day they may be just the contact you need, or perhaps you'll be that contact for them. LinkedIn allows you to create an account at 16. Do so and build it out over time as you watch your accomplishments and network grow. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.